Chris Donnelly. I graduated in 2012 with a Bachelor of Science in Industrial Engineering. My current position is a Transportation Analyst at Caterpillar in their Strategic Planning and Controls group. Just a couple weeks ago, I was sitting at a meeting where I didn't know anyone at the meeting, and the guy next to me happened to go to St. Ambrose many years before I did, but we were still able to talk about names like Ray Shovlin and Jeff Griebel and have some common names even despite our year's difference in graduation date. I was looking to play basketball and do engineering at the collegiate level. My grandpa actually went to St. Ambrose and played basketball many years ago, and then I have an aunt who played tennis there as well. Both were in the Hall of Fame, so it's always been around, and it just kind of was the perfect match between accomplishing what I wanted to do in education and then also provided me an avenue to continue playing athletics at the collegiate level. Yeah, I think the class size was something that was super beneficial for my degree. We were able to work in small projects and have direct oversight from the professor directly, which isn't necessarily common, as I understand it, at some of the larger universities or colleges out there. So we were on almost a first-name basis with the professors, and they knew us and we knew them, and they were able to give direct feedback into our learning. If anything came up where I couldn't solve this one issue, I knew that I could go to the professor's office and spend a half hour and work through the problem. So as we were going through classroom problems, they were able to give context around what it was like to solve it in the business world, not just in the classroom setting. Yeah, so when I first hear the word value, my mind honestly goes to dollars, but I think I'd be shortchanging, I guess, if you will, the value that the Ambrose education gave to me, both on just the relationships I made while I was there with all the good friends I still have to this day, to just becoming a more well-rounded person with a liberal arts education, and just the engineering degree that really prepared me to make an impact the first day I entered the workforce and just continued that as I've gone through my career. So Ambrose had all the options that I wanted, checked every box that I could possibly have, and then exceeded expectations.